Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have the leaked Windows 11 version with us, and let's have a quick look into how the Windows 11 stays different from Windows 10. So without wasting much time, let's get this video started. So once you are done installing the Windows 11, this is how the home screen of the Windows 11 looks like. As you can see, there is a lot more UI differences in Windows 11 when compared to Windows 10 or any other versions. The biggest change you will see is that the Windows icon that is moved from the left bottom side to the center. This looks pretty similar to the Mac OS style. Also, you get these flyout animations when you click on the Windows button instead of open up from a side, and I think this really looks cool. Also, you can see that when I click on any of the icons, there is small animation that happens in the icon to confirm the click, not just the highlighting, and this is also really a pretty cool feature. Coming to the start menu itself, as you can see, gone are those styles days which everyone honestly hated, and instead we have all these nice little apps now. If you want, you can remove any of the apps, you can unpin, you can move it as you wish, and these are really handy, I feel. Also, if you want to see the all apps, you can click on all apps, then you get a list of all your apps here. Also, you get the recommendations of the recently opened apps here, which is a really cool touch. Coming to the search menu, we don't have any much difference here. This is the same search menu, but it looks much more cleaner now. Also, you can notice that there are rounded corners as of now when compared to the normal flat corners, which is a really good touch. So as you select the apps, there are the small little indications at the bottom instead of big highlights. And these subtle changes really make Windows 11 look, really impressive. Then we have this new redesigned multitasking window, and I really like when compared to the old multitasking window. As you can see, you can drag it and play it at whatever you want. You can add it to new desktop also here. Then coming to the file manager, as you can see, there are a lot of differences in the file manager, not greatly with the design, but yeah, small icons and highlights and other things have been changed here. So as you can see, the folder icons are changed from plain icons into these really vibrant icons. And maybe I'll show some other stuff here. If I go to C drive, you can see how the folders are organized. So there is nothing much difference here. But if there are some specific applications or files, then it gets highlighted this way. That's really cool. Also, one more thing you notice is that there is a separate widget option now here, but I'm not able to sign in due to internet issues. But you can see there is a widget option here, which should give you widgets just like the Google tab. Then the Cortana browser is as usual, and then we have the Microsoft Store as well. There is nothing much special here. Then we have the notification shade, and this notification shade actually looks very good when compared to the old notification shade. As you can see, there is system-wide dark theme mode, but I don't have a licensed version of Windows 11, so I'll not be able to show it. Also, you get these cool little animations when you swipe something away. But when compared to the previous notifications, these notifications are very well grouped, and I really like it. Also, if you go into the settings, this is how the settings looks like now. So you get the rewards and various other options. Also, there is really a cool feature that if you right click on any of these, and if you wanted to do multitasking, you can just click on the way it wants to get organized, and it will get organized. And suppose if there are some other things that are opened, and this is not limited to a single application, all the applications that have this minimize and maximize function can make use of this functionality, and I really like this. So I can group this way by just highlighting here, then selecting the way I want to organize it. So this is the first one. So the second one will go here, then maybe third one I can put it here, and as you can see, the organizing has become really easy now, and if I want to shift anything, I can just switch it just like that. So I really like this multitasking snag option that they have given here, and it's really helpful. Then in settings, if I go to personalization, you can see the various themes and new color options, wallpapers that are available here. So you get the system-wide default pictures here. Then if I go to colors options, you get the various color scheming options here. As of now, since I don't have the activated version, I'll not be able to apply any of these and show it to you. So as you can see, you get various other themes here as well, like the glow, flow, sunrise, captured motion, windows dark, etc. Also, you get countless number of fonts here. So in here you can customize the taskbar as well, but since I don't have activated version, I'll not be able to show. Basically, you can move the taskbar as how it was originally here. Apart from this, we will see other quick options. So the settings option has not changed much. As you can see, it's the same settings options here. They have added something new called as focus assist, and this would be really helpful if you want to focus on something and you don't want to get any notifications or get disturbed by notifications. Apart from this, I don't think there is anything new, as there is one more feature added here where you can delete your temporary files and other junk files. So this is similar to how we have Google Files Keep or some other implementations like CCleaner, but it's inbuilt now. So if you click on the About version and go to Windows specifications, you can clearly see that the edition that I'm running is Windows 11 Pro, and this is a developer preview version. So in the final release, it should be much stable and we should see much more options that are coming here. I expect somewhere like, the system-wide theming option, if it comes similar to how we have in Android 12 as of now. Also, one more thing I really like here, that when you right click on any of these things, you can unpin everything, unlike the Windows 10 where you didn't have the unpinning option. Also on the start menu, if you right click, you get all these options here and you can open it directly from here, which is really a cool touch. Also on File Manager, if you right click, you get all these options, and if you want to pin something, you can directly pin it. Apart from that, most of the things looks almost the same. The animations have changed a little. Apart from this, I did not find any major features or any major upgrade in Windows 11. Yes, I'll be making a separate dedicated video on all the tips, tricks and hacks. So we'll quickly open some of the famous apps now and see if there are any changes. So quickly I'll open Notepad. So as you can see, the icons have changed now. But as an application, there isn't much changes. I'll quickly open Task Manager. I don't think there is much changes here either, only the app icons and the rounded corners we can see. So I'll just open Microsoft Office to see if there are any changes. It all looks the same. There was a major change during installation of Windows 11, which I'll link after this video, so you can watch once this video ends. That's it for this video. Apart from this, I did not see any major changes using the Windows 11 developer preview version for an entire day. Also, I'll make a separate dedicated video once the full version of Windows 11 gets released and I get sufficient time to test it. All the tips, tricks, hacks, everything, I'll make a video. So please do subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share with your friends and family. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.